right. Good morning. Let's get it going, ladies and gents. Really do appreciate the fill. This is Austin here, coming live with U.S. Soccer Breaks and GOTBASEBALLCARDS.com. Before we get started, though, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you check us out on our Facebook page, facebook.com / GOTBASEBALLCARDS. Also, be sure to check us out on eBay. We got over 600,000 listings on eBay currently. Got tons and tons of stuff on there, all kinds of sports. You name it, soccer to baseball to football to basketball. So be sure you guys check us out. And also, too, guys, right there below, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified every time we go live. And also, guys, make sure you give us a thumbs up. It really help us out. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We cannot go live from a mobile device until we get 1,000 subscribers. So we're probably halfway there. So any of you guys that are not subscribed, if you'd help us out with that, we greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, we got this. This is going to be EPL PYT 6-box break number 3. We do have a filler to do before we get started here. Oh yeah, but real quick before we do that, if you guys are here and you're looking for soccer breaks specifically, be sure you request to join the Facebook group U.S. Soccer Breaks, so we get on all the action, join in all the fun. We got PYT 4 FOTL filling right now. I don't think those boxes are in just yet, but as soon as they are in, we will break those. Only 3 teams left in that, it looks like. But this is where we post all the EPL breaks. Got PYT 4 and 5 up. Got a lot of good teams left in that one, guys. We'll break that today as soon as that one fills. So be sure to grab your teams. Also on Instagram, be sure you follow us at US Soccer Breaks. It's where we post all the good hits from the breaks. You see a lot of really, really nice stuff on there. If you haven't followed us, be sure you check us out and follow us. We greatly appreciate it. All right, first up, we got this random we got to do. We got everybody loaded up in there. Henry down to Jesus. Top spot gets Liverpool. Second spot will get the Wolves. And then spot 3 through 10 will get a free pack of Donners here. I'm not going to open these up, guys, unless you really want me to. I'm just going to add them to your box. But if you guys want me to open your one pack, I will. Just send me a message. Alright, guys, we're going to re-roll Snake Eyes. Otherwise, we're going to go with it. 8 times on the random. Good luck. And that's 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And again, we're going to go 8. 8th and final. Good luck. 8. Wow. Talk about rigged. His spot was taken. Wow. On 8 times. There it is. He took the last spot mojo. Henry comes away with Liverpool. Congrats, Henry. Syrup, you got the Wolves. Jesus, Tong, Syrup, Title, Adrian, Jesus, and Manuel, you all get a free pack of Donners 16-17. Came from a hobby box, so there's a chance there's a monster in there. That's how we'll do it. We'll go down, so 3 to 10. Congrats, Henry, man. Congrats. So let me update this real quick. I hope so, man. We got 4 and 5. Trying to fill 4 and 5. So you guys help me fill it out. Let's get it going. Oh yeah, I wanted to do something else here. I will break it as soon as it fills. What's going on here? Hold on 1 second. There we go. Let's put this on here. Need this over here. There we go. Alright. Let's just put it over here. It's about the same size, huh? Looks about right to me. Alright, guys. One time. Give us a six boxes here. Absolutely, man. Grab your teams, guys. Alright, here, let's do this. We'll do this also. This should help. Here are your teams in 4. This is Prizm Hobby 4. This isn't FOTL, by the way. This up here is Prizm Hobby 12 box break. So hopefully we can get that one going today. 4 and 5. Alright, guys. Let's do it. Good luck. Good luck. I'll tell you what. So one thing is another. Alright, I'll tell you. I haven't had a big monster from FOTL yet. Had some nice ones, guys. Had some nice ones. Go ahead and take them all out here. Yeah, as soon as we fill it, we can break it. Let's do this. There guys, the message Tony there. Good luck, everyone. That's right. Hope that is some monsters, guys. I haven't seen a big boom from FOTL, really. I've seen some nice ones, but not a big boom yet. What I call a big boom. Anyway. All right, guys. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, good luck. Martin Kelly. We had Eddie. Natalia. For Arsenal. Fireworks for Dele Ali. William for Chelsea. Blue. Purple and blue. Crystal Palace. Kuyate. Grab your teams in 4, guys. Pedro. Georgiano. Gold or orange coming up. James Madison Fireworks. And how about for Tottenham? This guy, he's been around a lot in the breaks. Harry Winks. We're at 25. Gave us 101 away yesterday. We're at 25. Harry Winks, 16 of 25. Rookie card. Jace Christensen, Chelsea. James Chester. Aston Villa. Grab your teams, guys. Emergent Trent Alexander, Christian Capacelli. Rookie card. Watford. I say I haven't heard most of these guys. More of a La Liga guy myself. Gotta say, I do love the EPL Prizm cards though, guys. Nice set. Bjornsson, Rob Holding, Arsenal. Just what I would hope for. Reminds me a lot of World Cup. 47 of 99. Top load. Eric Lamela. And how about Ramu? Alright, where's our shimmers? Marcus Rashford. Matthew Ryan. We have 2 shimmers back to back. There we go. There's one of our shimmers. Raheem Mahrez. Good luck, good luck. Who's it going to be? How about going to the Wolves? Ruben and Neves. There goes syrup, man. Ruben Neves. Blue Shimmer coming up. Cristiano. Good luck, guys. Who's it going to be? Wow, there we go. Manchester United. Chris Smalling. There you go, Nick. Ronaldo, where that came from. It's just a shimmer though. 7 of 8. Shimmer. That goes over here. Henry got Liverpool, and Syrup got the Wolves. And then everybody else got a free pack of Donners. Oops, this goes over here. Henry got Liverpool, and Syrup got the Wolves. I did the random before the break. Yeah, the Wolves is blue shimmer, sir. It's yours, man. Yes, sir. You got it. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, looks like we got shimmer time. A little shimmer action here. Alright. Who's it going to be? I don't know which way it's going. Let's just take the Band-Aid off. How about for Arsenal? Man, I think that's the second one we've pulled of that guy. Chesney. There you go, Adrian. Flashback autographs. Wojciech Chesney. For Arsenal. Blue shimmer on top. This is going to be Emergent Harry Winks. Wow, going back to Tottenham and Danny Rose. It's going to Michael. Grab your spots in number 4, guys. 3 of 8, Danny Rose. Oh. Undeniable Raul Jimenez. Wolves. Still haven't got a 101 yet. I don't think there's any blacks in this one. Felipe Anderson. David Luiz for Chelsea. 75. Come on, we need something sick. Danny Drinkwater. Base. Eric Bailey, Man U. Orange coming up. Good luck. All for Crystal Palace. Wilfred Zaha. It's going to be 3 of 25. What do we got here? Boom. Sick. How about for Man U? Old Trot. That's pretty, I think that's pretty rare, huh? Boom. Old Trafford. Smag it. Smag it for Nick. Let's give Nick a bag. For Old Trafford. Nice one there. There we go. There we go. There it is. How about Old Trafford? Manchester United. Boom. Really sick. Really? Man City 4, Watford 0? Wow. Boom, there you go. Nick, man. Nice one there. Let's go from the other end. Scores Club. David De Gea for And you again. Good luck. Shimmer time. Covered up by Sheffield. I'm not going to Everton. Theo Walcott. Blue shimmer. Shimmers. Good luck. Covered up by Everton. Oh, there's one for Chelsea. Danny Drinkwater. Adrian. Danny Drinkwater action. Undeniable. Oops. Wrong stack. Bjarnson. West Ham. Aston Villa. Cash Schmeichel. Leroy Sané. Coleman. Emergent Mateo. Fuller, and then Robbie Brady. Number 75. Burnley. Okay. Stones. Number to 99 for Watford. Fundamentals, and then how about one for Liverpool? Finally, Liverpool on the board. Roberto Firmino, 119, 149. Wow, how about another one? One for Everton. Goodison Park. Feeling that one might go to the house. Elaine, if you are watching, make sure you check your PM. Two stadiums. Six boxes. David Agea, Cesar. Bjornsson. Watford rookie Christian. Cabaselli. Oops, wrong one. Grab your teams in 4, guys. Gabriel Jesus. Christian Atsu. Ryan Bennett. Also going to Wolverhampton. Fireworks, James Madison. Number 1 for Sheffield. Simon Moore. Tell you. Brilliance, Adrisa. Nice, thanks, Elaine. Thank you for confirming. Ryan Marez. Just going to City. I can get it to focus there. Covered by Jorginho. Shimmer Time. Jorginho, good luck. Covered by Norwich. Okay, how about Wolves again? Tell you what, the random doing some work. How about Rue Patricio? Tell you what, Wolves strike again. Shimmer, good luck, guys. See, who's it going to be? Well, Southampton. Jonic. It's going to Manuel. There you go, Manuel. That is going to be 8 of 8. Scores Club, Rashford, Arsenal, McTahiang. Man, I can't even pronounce that guy's name. 77 of 99. Purple. Zaha. Last two, guys. Gals. Squash Club. Crystal Palace, Martin Kelly. Wolford, Fabian Schär. Harry Winks again. Ben Schewel. Lucas Dean. Charlie Taylor. It's Burnley. Burnley is Peter. Watford, the second one I've pulled. It's going to Michael. Yeah, Michael. Fireworks. Chelsea, Emerson. Shimmer time. Good luck. Good luck. Who's it going to be? Shay Given. I'm just going to Newcastle. Newcastle is also Michael. Flashback autographs. There's two flashbacks. Paul, how's it going, man? How you doing? There it is. Well, going to Leicester. How about a rookie card? There you go, Aldo. Hamza. That is going to be 4 of 8. All right, man. Thank you. Got you on the board. Perez, Southampton. Nothing special. I'll tell you what. Paul Pogba. Last box of the break, guys. And grab your teams in number 4. Bernard Mkhitaryan. Mkhitaryan. That's how you say it. Somewhere close to there. Max Meyer. Ruben Benarge. Ruben again. Yerry Mina for Everton. Come on, we need a big boom. Diego Yota. How about O'Neal Hernandez? Norwich. Ooh, kaboom coming up. Good luck, guys. So we got Wes Morgan. Who's it going to be? Covered by an Aguero. Well, Ashley Barnes. Is that Burnley? Yep, Burnley. See, I'm getting the hang of it. Ashley Barnes. I think it's the second one we pulled. Kaboom. What is that, man? Piece of plastic. Burnley also going to Peter. Rookie card, Zimmerman. How about Trent Alexander-Arnold? Come on. Need something insane. Cesar Martin for Newcastle. Rookie. 75. One for Sheffield. Purion Freeman. Bjornsson. Good luck. Go to Norwich. Wow. Talk about the random killing it. You got all 3 autos, I think. Johnny Castro for the Wolves. There goes Syrup, man. Syrup killing it. Syrup's got 3 autos. Nobody wanted them. Johnny Castro. Just put him over here with the other Wolves. Tell you what, our FOTL boxes have not been that great so far. Whoa. And then how about going back to Crystal Palace? James MacArthur. Means there's a monster coming. The Crystal Palace is going to title. Yeah, title on the board. 7 of 8. Man. Still no huge hit, no huge autograph. Out of FOTL. Janitor Toggin. And the last pack of the break, guys. No, it doesn't. We are due for some big ones. That's for sure. Alright, guys, give me 1 second and do the recap. Alright, guys. Recap time for PYT 6-box break number 3, FOTL. I'm Kieran Freeman, Arnold, Ruben. Let's see, I had some here. Bjarnson, David De Gea, Eric Bailey, Raul Jimenez, William. And some notables here. Firmino. We had the ones number to 99. Rob Holding, Charlie Taylor, Bamiang, not a Bamiang, Mina, David Luiz, Robbie Brady, Perez, and then how about for the ones number to 25, Harry Winks, Zaha, and then our Shimmers, Jonic for Southampton, one for Leicester, Hamza, rookie card, and then one for Crystal Palace, James MacArthur. We did have a logo, Watford. And from there, what about our Kaboom here? Ashley Barnes going to Burnley. Nice. And we had 2 stadium cards. I don't know, one for Everton. Goodison Park. I heard these are pretty rare. Super rare from what I hear. Goodison Park, Everton. And then, let's see, we did have another one. I want one for Manchester United, Old Trafford. Boom, there you go, Nick. Congrats. Let's see, had more Shimmers. Number to 8, we had Danny Drinkwater for Chelsea. And then we had Danny Rose for Tottenham and Chris Smalling for Man U. From there we had Everton, Theo Walcott. Autograph. Let's see the Wolves for last, I guess. And we had 2 flashbacks. Flashback autographs, Chesney for Arsenal. And then also had Shay Given, couple goalkeepers for Newcastle. And last but not least, it was a Wolves party. Nobody wanted them. Went to the filler. Lucky Syrup. How about 3 autographs? Ruben Neves, Johnny Castro, and Rue Patricio. There you go, Syrup, man. Congrats. Syrup was the big winner. Congrats. All right, guys, grab your teams in 4.